Okay, let's go play Steel Ball Run. Today we got, well, how many? Four D4C Love Train. Let's see how it goes. Alright, everyone come here, everyone come here. Me, come together. I'm using my alt account, Habibi Wog. It's a nice name.
I'm using my alt account too. It's called
Right, where's the other one?
where's Zach?
Yeah, where's he?
Where is Zach?
Come on, quick.
You have 30 seconds.
Zach, get a horse.
Where's the horse?
It's where you spawn, Zach. It's where you spawn.
Yeah, it should be on your left. Yeah, it's on your left.
Where you are.
Or your right. Sometimes, I don't know. It's next to you. Is it laggy?
Guys, this video of heaven's man look like he's gonna wipe us because he looks like a sweat.
Let's leave.
No.
Where is
Right.
Zach? I'm here. I'm trying to get on my boat.
Wait, I don't see you.
God. Zach, you should reset.
No. Do not. Don't reset. Oh my god, it's so laggy. So laggy. What is this? You guys see this? D4C1, D4C2.
Andre?
The hottest D4C is number one.
Where's number 3? Where's D4C3?
No, I'm number 1, bro.
Okay, fine. You're 1, I'm 2, he's 3, and he's 4. And then there's this guy. He's a fake Diego. Hey!
No, I don't like cosplaying.
Stop friendly fire. It's not nice. That hurt. You guys have to remember how much damage we do.
Oh, people, 2 guys.
Oh, let's kill these guys. On the left.
I'm lagging.
I'm lagging. Bro, I'm turning down my GFX.
I'm literally turning it all the way to 0. I can't see anything.
You wanna kill these guys? Let's kill these guys. Go. Blow him up. Oh, he's dead. Yeah, there's 2 more.
Yo, that damage just came like 10 seconds after.
Oh my god. And he conquered world. Is anyone getting targeted?
Zach's learning this. The internet.
Okay, I got the guy. Activate ham on. Bro, my ham on.
Turn your graphics on.
I'm getting targeted by the
0,
road.
green.
Nah, put on 2. I can't see anything.
We'll put it to 0. I can't see anything at all. Just spam the.
Bro, I'm spamming Y. I'm spamming Y.
Just spam Y.
I'm spamming Y on him.
Just
Okay,
spam
there.
any move that you know will hit. And do
Oh,
damage.
yeah! Blow him up!
Yes! Bomb him!
Bomb him!
You're Muslim, right?
No, that's racist. No.
There it is.
Where is he?
He's
I think is he dead? Or did he just leave? Oh, there's this chariot.
So laggy, bro.
Hey, you funny cocoa yoins.
Oh, that's gonna be hell, bro. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He just gave up.
He gave up, bro. He gave up. I'll barrage him. Put him out of his misery. Yeah, he's dead.
So laggy.
Oh, you poisoned me.
It's so laggy.
I'm flying.
Yo!
Guys, I'm Jesus. Hey, why are you punching me? I'm so low.
Elman.
I said remember how much damage you guys do.
It's so laggy. Doesn't even know it's punching you.
Just don't punch in the general direction. Alright, that's 3 down.
3.
3. No, that was the other guy I got killed by him then. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's more than 16. That's not good.
What?
How much people?
There's more than 16. Probably like 18, 20.
How many people can there be in a server again?
There's a gang here.
I think.
Oh, there's 2 pretty big gangs.
And just let them fight. No, this.
Does 3 count as pretty big?
Yeah, that's pretty big.
Okay. 3 counts as pretty big. There's a gang of 4.
There might be like randoms out there.
We're a gang of 5.
Yeah, we're a gang of 5, so
What exactly is this? Wait,
1,
how's
2,
this so slow?
3. Wait. 1, 2,
Oh, come on, hurry up. We're waiting for
3.
Yes.
Okay,
Where's that?
maybe that's 3.
Oh my god.
I don't know. I can't count, guys. I can't count.
That's like freeze every 2 seconds.
You guys are freezing. Oh, by the way, use Love Train a lot.
Damn, this position is like, yo.
Guys, look at Blonde's there. He's a dinosaur riding horse. Horse riding dinosaur.
Are we allowed to say that?
Huh?
Are we allowed to say that?
Don't say anything bad. That's it. Please, I'm gonna lose my 0 subscribers. All the 0 subscribers
Guys,
gonna
100%
unsubscribe.
of my viewers have not subscribed yet.
You guys, 100% of my viewers have not subscribed.
Not funny.
I don't have any viewers.
Yeah, you have one.
No, I have 0.
I'm going 34
What?
speed or
No,
30.
0. That was our friend.
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh, why?
Oh, speed up, speed up.
Jump, Zach, jump. Press the jump on it.
No, don't jump. Just shift left, right. Okay, I need a heal. You guys duck down, duck down.
Well, hopefully there's not a cherry raccoon.
There's
No.
no cherry raccoon.
Remember last time? Cherry raccoon, bro.
Just, oh yeah, they're wiping. Look at this horse.
Now I can't pose.
Why?
Let's go.
What?
No, we have to be in a team. We have to be in a big team.
Okay, I'm out. I'm full health.
Let's go, Zach.
Come on, heal up, heal up. What? Can you not? Stop with the friendly fire.
It's like 5 of these people right
And I'm lagging.
Oh, God.
now. Where?
Oh, yeah.
I'm down already.
He has to keep fingers. You wanna kill him?
Yeah, kill him.
He's seen too much.
There's too many of us. He can't take it.
See too much on the boys in the back.
He got knocked off.
Yeah, no boy.
Okay, jump down with the horse.
Oh, what are you doing, bro?
Oh, yeah, there's another guy. Gee.
Can you like knock him down?
I should have calmed down.
Hey, run.
Don't come down.
Oh, no, I came down. It's so laggy.
I can't get back up.
Yeah, you guys just jump all the way down.
Do
Everyone-
Love Train.
everyone
Love,
jump down.
Love Train gives you
Speed boost.
jump boost.
Oh, you guys left your whole.
Yeah, I left my horse.
This is 4 love trains.
Nah, screw it. Kill the guy.
Wait, how'd you get up, Elvin?
I found
Ow.
Oh my god.
How did you get out?
Hey, how do I like get up?
Nah, figure that out later. Just balance.
I need to get up. I need to get the window.
Yeah. Andre, come in. This way.
Balance,
Try
balance,
and knock
balance.
it
Oh, who burnt me?
Bro, why did I do that?
over. Why didn't you use love train?
Oh, no. I got... Oh, it's a lot of damage.
Wait, maybe can like does this give me like a little bit of?
Get him. I'll tank it. M1. It's so laggy, oh my god.
Ah, there's no healing for you.
How can I get up?
Oh, shoot, that's a lot of damage. Oh, man, I fell. Oh, I'm back up. Yeah, knock him off. Block. And my block broke.
Ow.
you can't get back.
Make him come down. There's a freaking button waiting for him.
I'm low.
Nice. What a clone.
You guys help, I need heals.
Now, how do I jump up?
Sit up here and spam clothes.
Yeah, let's sit up here and spam clones.
They're going after you.
Oh yeah, G.
Bro, it's so laggy.
Bro, it's like thousands of.
Bro, the clones. Oh, he got double bombed.
Oh my god.
Watch out. Look.
Oh wow, distraction. You block.
Dino, brother.
Dino for the win. Get him. Yeah.
Daddy.
Help.
No,
I'm
my
gonna die
mouse.
to your clones.
Zach, what are you doing? Oh my god. It's so laggy, I cannot see. Then just don't press anything.
Hey, nice. Now he can't get out.
Alright, let's go for it. Let's go.
Oh, look, he's back here. Oh, he jumped down.
Wait, quickly wipe him and then we'll go.
Bash him. Yeah, bash him. Hit him. Tree. Bird.
I bet Elmo do it.
Yeah.
Oh man, how did you do it?
No, he was on the other one.
Which one?
This one, the rock one that we're trying to get on.
Wait, try to charge.
Oh, watch out.
Charge.
Bro, it's so laggy, I can't. It's way too hard to time it. You guys should jump, he's gonna awaken me.
Alright, we're waiting for the boys.
Alright, we should get Zach and stuff on here going. Okay.
Did you man die?
No, I'm still here.
Then we're waiting for you, hurry up.
Yeah, I can't get my horse.
You have to find us, Nate, you have to go, Just leave him.
Alright, me and Zach will solo.
Dip.
Running, bro. We're running.
Yeah, screw it, I'm running.
We're going.
That's technique.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make this.
Are we gonna make it?
In terms of this.
Alright, who has a horse?
Me.
Alright, we can just gangbang the whole
Yeah, we have to gangbang. We have. Oh, sorry, not gangbang. Gank them. Family friendly channel.
No.
Adrian, I didn't see you. I just see Adrian's voice. I didn't see you, Adrian. You're invisible.
I'm invisible.
Hey, guys, stay together. Oh, the zone.
Oh, zone's on me.
Already.
Yeah, zone's coming. Use speed boost. Oh, use Love Train speed boost.
I can't see zone.
It's right there. Okay, I can't see anymore.
Why is this guy shooting at us?
Cause what an annoying guy.
This guy, you guys, don't
Yeah, he's leave him.
Try to bonk him.
Jump him.
Yeah,
Jump
I'm
him.
going.
Jump on him.
Bro, like, just don't worry about it. Don't worry, no distractions. Just keep going forward.
Well, Zach's still.
Do I shoot him? Where are you guys? Oh. Wait, where's Zach?
Zach, just keep running.
Zach, where are you? Come on, quick, use Love Train.
Zone's right there.
Use Love Train.
Bro, we're at stage 2, we're at stage 3.
Use Love Train. Love Train, it makes you faster.
No, just don't. Zach, like, the start off on the
He treated me.
Bro, you need to activate Love Train right now.
Makes you walk. Oh.
Yeah, and then you run again, and then it goes faster.
Oh, no, we can make it.
Oh my god, the bird.
Oh my god.
Are you dead?
I'm gonna be.
Come on, man, activate Love Train.
That's always the Bachi of the group. Don't you guys think?
Hey, yeah.
What the heck? I'm in zone.
Oh
No, I'm getting off my horse.
No, this is a horrible idea. Yeah, I'm so dead.
I survived.
no! I'm not in the zone anymore.
Nah, I can't make it.
I'm so far, bro.
Come on, please, please. No, I can't make it.
I'm with the GR.
I'm dead.
I'm dead. I can't make it to.
Us dying to zone. What a game. What a stupid game.
This isn't Fortnite! Copy my Fortnite.
Well, that's the end. Alright, let's make another video.
Alright.
Like and subscribe if pro.
Peace out.